wait any longer. So we start quarter left and hand over hand shortly after that because we waited here already.
Mm-hmm.
The only difference was we give it some gas, then go quarter left, hand over hand, and speed up, loosen up.
Mm-hmm.
Now, if there was a car coming straight, how far does this car have to be? Is it 3 lampposts or 4 lampposts?
3 lampposts.
That's correct. Within 3, we have to stop.
Mm-hmm.
3 or more, we could let them go. We could go. We could go. Yeah. All right. Now, when we get to the intersection with a stop sign here, and we applied mirror signal, blind spot, do we need to come to a complete stop, or can we roll a bit and turn?
Complete stop.
It has to be a complete stop. And after we scan that, it's clear. There is another car approaching, let's say from the direction where the yellow is. Do we have to wait for them to go, or can we start our turn immediately?
If we stop first,
Yes,
we can go.
we can go. We don't have to wait any further.
Mm.
However, if this was a regular stop sign, which means you don't have these 2 stop signs here, then we have to let them go first.
Mm-hmm.
You got the difference?
Yep.
Okay. All right, so William, it looks like you got the idea. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go and do a demonstration, and then I'll have you try this. Okay? So can you now open up the door with your right hand and use the Dutch reach and walk from the back and come into the seat. So I'm going to show you and describe to you exactly what I'm going to be doing. I just like you to see where everything is done and manipulate what I'll be doing later on. I'm starting the car. Foot brake is on. Parking brake release. Put the car in drive. Then look in the mirror. Now, why do we do this mirror check and signal afterwards? Is that if we're not ready with the gear or the parking brake or you know, we really don't want to signal or check our mirrors. Now that we're ready, mirror, signal, blind spot. We give a little bit of gas, 1.5, and go quarter left, quarter right, straight. The command is given to you here. At the stop sign, please turn left. Before you brake, mirror, signal, blind spot. And you see the white line?
Yeah.
I'm going to stop right as we are here, having the hood covering the line. Scan left, center, right, left. There's a car coming from the right, we can't go. And there's a fence on the left that's blocking your view. So here's what I'm going to do. My foot is only going to go off the gas brake pedal. I'm not going to the gas pedal. I'm only going forward. Can you see better now?
Yep.
So now I scan again, left, center, right, left. Now there's a car coming on the left. Sorry, right. No car on the left. Here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to give it gas. Look at this. Quarter left. B, hand over hand. C, scan ahead, speed up, loosen up. At the first street, please turn left. Mirror, signal, blind spot. Slow down to 15-20 kilometers per hour. Quarter left. B, hand over hand. C, scan ahead, speed up, loosen up. Is that following exactly what I said?
Yeah.
Now I'm approaching a curve, which means I don't need to signal. But my speed here, let me show you, is about 25 kilometers per hour. I'm going to coast as I get into the curve. Look around, quarter left. B, hand over hand. C, speed up, loosen up. As I coast, I dropped about 5 kilometers already. At the stop sign here, I'm going to turn left. Mirror, signals, blind spot. And I stop before the stop line. Again, there's obstruction on the left and to the right. So here's a little tip for you. If you want to prepare your turn and you don't want to go too wide, as you inch up, you could start quarter left if needed. And as you do this, you will slowly go towards the left. Now there's a car on the right. Are they coming?
No.
Doesn't look like it.
No.
So here's where I'm already at the point where I could see. Now look at this. I've already prepared the quarter left. I just have to finish off with hand over hand, and I speed up, loosen up. You see, it's less work for me, isn't it? Okay, and if you're not checking the blind spots on approach, don't worry about it. I will check it for you at this time. At the stop sign, please turn left. Mirror, signal, blind spot. Again, I stop right as I have the hood of the car cover the line. Scan left, center, right, left. Still obstruction on the left. Okay, so I could start a bit of a quarter left. car is 3 lampposts away, so I could turn. Now, did I affect this car at all with
No.
3 lampposts?
No.
That's 1, 2, 3 lampposts. No. So mirror, signal, blind spot. Here's point A, forward left. Here's point B, hand over hand. Here's point C, speed up, loosen up. Is that following exactly what I said previously? I'm approaching curve. My speed is at 30. I might have to brake a little bit as I get closer, which is around here. Here's point A, forward or left. Here's point B, hand over hand. Here's point C, scan ahead, speed up, loosen up. At the stop sign, please turn left. And by the way, I'm always on the right half of the road when I'm driving. So I stop completely, scan left, center, right, left, inch forward, and no gas as you do this. Quarter left to help the turn though, and you can put your head forward like this too if you need to. And then at point B, hand over hand, point C, speed up, loosen up while looking ahead. We'll pull over by the green box and I'll let you, I'll ask you a few questions. Okay, so William, when I got to the stop sign, did I actually always come to a complete stop?
Yes.
Correct. Now when I couldn't see and I inched up, did I give it gas or I just let the car roll on its own?
Let the car roll on it.
Mhm.
Roll on it.
Now when I had less than 3 lampposts, did I try it and go or did I just wait there until it's safe?
You wait there until it's safe.
That's correct. And when I completed a turn, did I use the 15 to 20 kilometer speed that I mentioned before?
Yes, you did.
Yes, I did. Okay, so I'm going to have you come and try this and see how well you do. I will assist you in making sure that you do this correctly.
Okay.
So let's make sure you get around the car and come into the seat using Dutch Reach.